Hi everyone, this is a tutorial to help you get through the Layers tool selection practice part 2. So this is going to show you how to work through it using Photoshop. However, the settings in Photopea are pretty similar, so you just want to look in the same areas that I'm showing you on Photoshop. The first thing you're going to want to do for your composite is to use the magic wand tool to select the blue sky. So you're going to find your magic wand tool by long pressing, and here is your magic wand tool. You are then going to click the pixels in the sky. As you can see, the dancing ant shows up around the blue sky. You're going to right click and select Layer via Copy. What you're going to notice is a layer of this pixels is going to pop up in your layers panel. You're going to click on the move tool, which is on your toolbar, and you are going to move that layer down to the position that you like most in box 3. That looks pretty good. Let's move on to the second step. You're going to use the and hit enter. You're going to use the polygonal lasso tool to select the green foreground. So I'm going to go back to my toolbar, and here goes the polygonal lasso tool. So for this tool, you are going to draw straight edges. I'm moving pretty quickly. You're going to want to try and get your edges a little bit more neater than mine, but you're going to want to draw straight edges around all of the areas in green. And I'm just clicking, and then I'm going to close my shape. I'm going to right click, select Layer via Copy. So now I'm going to make another layer of those selected pixels. As you can see, now I have layer 2. I'm going to go back to my move tool, and I'm going to position the green that I picked out into the box below. Let's go to step 2. So now we're going to move on to the elliptical marquee tool. So I'm going to select my background layer. I'm going to click on my elliptical marquee tool. I'm going to select pixels around the earth. I am going to right click, select Layer via Copy. And now I go to my move tool, and I'm going to move my earth into the position that I want. So I can make it smaller, and I can move it. The last step is going to be to use the rectangular marquee tool. So you're going to go back to your selection tool. You're going to change to rectangular marquee. You're going to draw a rectangle inside of the texture. You're going to right click and select Layer via Copy. Oh, if you get where it says layer is empty, that just means I have to click on my background layer, which has the pixels. So I'm going to do that again. Layer via Copy. And as you can see, now I have a new 4th layer added to my layer stack. I'm going to go back to my move tool, and I'm going to move that layer, and I'm going to twist it, and I'm going to keep moving it and twisting it. So now that layer is going to fill the white space and create this cool effect for the mountains. When you're done, you can overlap your layers by dragging the order. So I have my earth behind the blue sky, and I want the earth to be in front of the blue sky. So I'm going to look for my layer with the earth, and I'm going to drag it to the top of my layer stack. And as you can see, that brings my layer to the front. And this is my finished composite. When you're done, you're going to File, You can save as JPEG, and you can submit to my MCPS Classroom. Good luck building your photo composites today, and I will see you on Monday.